That's a lot of chilies. Basically, I've gone through my box of chilies that I bought from the Coastal Chili Company in the south of England, and found the ones that are looking a little bit sad and a little bit uh, softer now because they've been in my fridge for about 3 weeks. Um, and I thought I would follow suit with BL Peppers. I think that's their name. I'll definitely put a card up here to follow through to the video I watched where they made chili biscuits. I thought, oh man, I've got to do that. I'm like, this is exactly what I'm going to do with these. I just thought it's perfect. So I wanted to just go through a couple of them, show you them. I'll cut them. I might speed up the video, something like that. And then I'll show you myself making the biscuits and then eating some of the biscuits. So I think some of these are a little bit hard to know what they are now. I think this is a Dorset Naga. I mean, they're still beautiful and I'm sure they're fine. But let's just cut through them. They're the softest ones and I've still got a ton more to go. So here we go. Oh, Dorset Naga, yeah, that smells good. I think I remember that being one of my favorites, actually. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It doesn't look anything wrong with that, actually. Might be a little bit soft. See if I can get a better picture. All right, let's move on. That's one. I'll put them at the back here. We've got loads of these Dorset Nagas, so it's going to be a hot one. They're tiny, tiny ones. I think end of season sort of kind of thing going on there. Let's check this one. It's a little bit soft at the back. Might be, oh yeah, that one's gone. So just going to cut the end off that one where it's fine. And put that over there. Actually, I'll start to cut the pod off here as well. So probably about there. Yeah. Okay, cool. Continuing on, I believe that is a dragon breath, I think. Getting a little bit softer. Yeah, okay. It's quite gnarly, that one. Oh, loads of seeds though. Oh, wow. Smell this one. Oh boy, why am I not eating that raw? Oh man, that smells good. But yeah, once again, there's many others in there. But that's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, the smell of that is amazing. Oh, these cookies are is so hot and so good. Cut the back off. I'm getting a bit of the placenta there, but yeah, there's a lot of chilies here. I'm not so fussed. This one is a beast. It's one of my favorite chili peppers, I think now. Heat Seeker Pepper Eater also likes these, so I think I'm following suit with him. Oh yeah, oh that's supreme. Oh wow, that's a supreme smell. I cannot wait to have the cookie with that one in it, biscuit. Look at that. Oh yes. Beautiful. Get a nice little connection going. There's loads more to go though. Look at this, Hellboy. Bit sad, I'm so sorry. I don't mean to hurt you. But this is an awesome pepper as well. Absolutely awesome. Look, it's so gnarly. It's actually taken on a bit of burgundy there as well. Oh yeah, that's right. I remember saying burgundy now in my last video. This might not be so well. This one. Let's see. Oh, she's fine. Wow, what a smell. Oh, that's incredible. Look at that. Gorgeous peppers. Hellboys. Very, very beautiful. They're kind of beast-like, actually. So yeah, I'm a massive fan of that. See if I can get one of these habaneros as well. Gosh, I don't want to touch too many of these. Or a little Dorset Naga here. Let's see, anything interesting going on? Not really. Beautiful little pod though. I just have one now. Very bitter. That one's very, very bitter. Not very hot at all, actually. Bitter and floral. No. That's a blood ghost. I have to just cut the one. Well, that one's seen better days. I think I'll bin that one. There's another blood ghost. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, yes. I love the look of these inside. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous pink pith? Well, actually kind of orange. It's nice. I'm so sorry, Habanero. You deserve better. That Dorset Naga is quite hot, actually. It's about a 1 right now, actually. It picked up a little bit. These are so good. Look at that. Wow. As I say, this one's not so bad. Oh, yes. Oh, I love that chili. And that's a citrusy-ness. So good. Let's see. Oh yeah. Beautiful Reaper mustard. Look at that. Not totally gnarly. Well, I just got oil all over my arm. Whoa, yes. That's what it should look like. I've got some crisp ones in the fridge. A little bit bigger than this as well. Looking good though. There's so much oil on those. Look at that. Oh, tempted to eat that one. No, we've got loads. Look at the oil though. That's crazy, crazy amount of oil. That's a Komodo. I think that's the first there, is it? I shall have my revenge, Komodo. I expected more from you. Yeah, it's pretty interesting, that pepper. It's kind of very standard looking. I wasn't sure about the heat as well. We'll have another go with that one. I've got a nice fresh one in the fridge, so fresh enough at least. Whoa. Oh yeah. That one's gone. Cut you in half. And put you away. And the piece de resistance. A beast. Look at that. Cute little critter. Cool. Well, that's phase 1 of this done. Next up, I've got to cut all these up. But first of all, check that out. All that beautiful oil on there. Cool. Wow. Don't get that on my fingers. All right, now I'm going to cut them up. Look at that bowl of chilies. I'm going to move out of the way. But they are looking pretty awesome. It smells incredible in here, I have to say. It's like, yeah, it's like something went wrong in a chili factory, basically. We just start cutting these up then. Got the gloves on as well. So let me just show you. Yeah, oh, look at that. Yes. This might take a while. Move those over there. Just gonna put, I don't know, 2 spoons of this mixture of peppers in. Maybe a little bit more. Get this stirred up a bit. Oh yes. Oh yes. Maybe one more. Maybe one more, yeah. A bit of pepper, salt. Something like that. And then a bit of water. That was flour, by the way. Alright, we'll start with that. See how it goes. A bit more. So I should probably say that this is gluten-free flour, so that's why it's looking a little bit like a dough, or like a pancake mix. But this is pretty much how I think I want it. So let's try and spread this on now. Just going to dollop it all on and try and spread it out. All right, let me spend some time with this, and I'll be back with you soon. Well, this this clearly didn't turn out how I planned it to. That's the problem with gluten-free flour, is that it just doesn't work. Anyway, let's try and put this in, see how it turns out. Let's see what we've got it on. 150. We'll have to leave it on for a while. Cheers. Well, I thought I'd probably better start divisioning these into biscuit shapes. So I thought I'd just like score a mark so I could snap them a bit later. This is so funny. This is just not how this is supposed to turn out. Ah! It will do the job. I also added a bit of olive oil as well, because gluten flour tends to go a little bit white and weird, so I thought I'd give it a little bit of a colour. There you go, something like that. Let's give that a try. I tell you what though, it smells flipping awesome. These might be very, very hot cookies though. Ooh. Well, yeah, not quite how BL peppers turned out, but hey, it's something. I mean, some of them look okay. Oh man, I'm looking forward to eating them though. I'll let them cool down a bit and then we'll see how they taste. Yes. Well, not quite how I expected them to turn out, but hey, looking good nonetheless. That gluten-free flour is pretty difficult to work with. You kind of have to make it a batter rather than a dough because it doesn't hold together. But I don't know, that looks all right. We've got something in there. I have a funny feeling this might be very hot, so let's have a smell of it first. I mean, this is just a mixture of all those peppers, so. Oh, it actually smells quite nice. There's a mixture of grains in the gluten-free flour that I use, so but not so much of the pepper coming through. You can see there's quite a lot in there. Wow, got a bit of margarine as well. I'm going to put on top of this if it's not too bad. Anyway, cheers. What am I doing? Whoa. That's awesome. It's very hot. that's all right. Good amount of salt, nice grain flavor, whatever it is. A little bitter from the Super Hots. Yeah, mostly bitter from the Super Hots, which that's not a surprise. A lot of those peppers are bitter. I'm not sure if I'm getting too much pepper flavor off of the whole biscuit, but just rather the heat. Let me try again. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Just had a little bit of the mustard pepper there. I can taste that one, but what does it taste like? Just tastes like roast pepper. It's quite nice. What? It's hot. That side was a bit sweeter. Wow, I think we're onto a winner here. Try a bit of margarine. I love a good bit of margarine, that's for sure. Mmm. Whoa. Butter my biscuits and call me Bob. That's pretty darn good. Mmm. Success. Absolute success. I had to put a bit of olive oil on it to make that colour. Those gluten-free doughs, man. They're really not good. Cool. Oh, that's delicious. Perfect spice. Oh, there you go. Yeah, overall taste. It tastes like a biscuit. A little bit grainy. A nice heat coming through. The bitterness is disguised by the margarine, but it's not too bitter. It's not horrible. It's just just mature flavour. Some of the peppers come through. I think the mustard reaper's coming through the most, at least in those biscuits. And that's overall a success. Cool. Well, catch you on the other side. Have a good one. And I forgot to say, it's about a 1 out of 10 on the scale of heat. All right, now, bye-bye. Nice.